Okay, the last thing that we're going to talk about this week is the analytical task sheet. And you will be filling one of these out every week as we talk about grammar and dissect some sentences. Yay! So exciting, diagramming sentences. So we talked about chart A, which is our sentence chart, and chart E, which is our noun chart this week in class, and we'll post those on Blackboard. But what I want you to do here is work through a sentence, and we're going to do one together. Your homework is actually the first sentence from the Frogs Who Wanted a King, but in class we used the first sentence from the Ants and the Grasshopper just to show you what this should look like. So let's look at that sheet together. Here is the analytical task sheet. So first you're going to write the sentence in that we're analyzing, okay? And that sentence is from the Ants and the Grasshopper. The ants were employing a fine winter's day and drying grain collected in the summertime. So you'll copy that sentence and write it over here. Yes, you are just going to just write it in there, right? And that is a valuable in and of itself because you are writing words that you don't normally say. You are seeing how those words are spelled. You're using them correctly in the sentence, right? Lots of value just from copying. We're not going to do a lot of it, but I'm just telling you. Just the dictation is good. Then, so we copied that sentence over. We checked the mechanics. Of course, everything's correct because this is a sentence that is from published work, so it should have correct punctuation and it should start with a capital letter. Then we answered structure and purpose. These are from that sentence chart, so if you don't know what these mean, go back and look at the sentence chart. This is a simple sentence as it is a noun and a verb. That's it. And so, actually I think it's a complex sentence because of that last dependent clause. So I'm sorry, it actually is that. And then, so we've got complex sentence and a purpose, declarative, right, ends in a period, makes a statement. And then the last thing that you're going to do here is your, is your diagram. Okay, so I have put the lines in here. Yours is blank, but we diagram on a horizontal line that is bisected by a vertical line, okay? And the vertical line goes all the way down here at the beginning. The only thing that I want you to do right now is write the noun, okay? And that goes on the left. So the noun of the sentence, who or what is the sentence is about, who or what is the sentence about? The ants, right? So you'll put over here the ants. Ants. Okay, we'll get to that. There we go. Okay, and the is a modifier, so you would write that on a line coming down. And then our verb, what are our ants doing? They were employing. They were employing. That is our verb. Were employing. And then everything else in the sentence goes with our predicate. So we'll put those in a diagonal line under our line here, under our predicate. But we haven't talked specifically about how that works yet. And so the only thing I'm going to be checking next week is, did you identify the correct subject and the correct verb? So that is all on the analytical task sheet for this week. But let me know if you have any issues with that, and I will talk to you soon.